So I want to make a little announcement. So this is what's in our future, yours and mine. Okay. I again was on it's Google Meet today with a beautiful young lady. Her name's Lauren, and she is part of Stan Store. So if you guys don't know, I recently, over the last maybe month, I think it is, I added a Stan Store to my bio. And the reason why I did that is because, again, I wanted to brand myself. My business is going. I want everything in one place. I want it easy peasy for people to find, and I wanted to be pretty. And I always admired people who had the Stan Store. So I finally said yes, not even expecting anything or thinking. I really didn't even know how to use it. I just knew it was a landing page. I knew that TikTok would accept that in my profile. And I knew that I could actually build an additional stream of income, and that was important to me. So on this phone call today, well, let me just backstory a little bit if you didn't see my one video, but she had actually reached out to me and she was like, "Hey, Dee, do you want to be an affiliate?" And I'm like, "Oh yeah, sure." And then we talked a little bit more and she was like, "Hey, do you want to be a senior affiliate? And we'll just pay for your entire Stan Store as long as you market for us." I was like, yeah, sign me up. So I did. So today was our second meeting and she's just showing me all this stuff that you can do with the Stan Store and how friendly it is to you. So I'm just here to let you know, save this video, follow me, because I have a lot of great information coming out about how you can start using the Stan Store yourself, especially if you are starting to offer multiple services, or if you want to create like a digital guide or ebook that's very user friendly to like send out to your potential leads or possible, your buyers, because that's all you have to do is create like a digital guide in Canva, take it over to your Stan Store as a PDF, load it up and put a price on it, and you can sell it in your Stan Store and it goes right to that buyer. So the other thing that I want to let you know that I was really excited about, she was like, "Dee, let's do a webinar. I want to help you grow this business, and let's set up some type of webinar, some type of TikTok live, and I will speak to your audience with you." So I was like, that is really, really cool. And I know that's part of her job or whatever, but I just thought it was really cool. So I just want you guys to save this and follow me, because if you are interested in, picking up the Stan Store and have an additional stream of income, she's going to come here and teach us and teach you guys too. So that's going to be upcoming in the next month, I hope, to start doing something like that. So I'll keep you posted. So stay tuned. And it's just been an amazing journey. And thank you guys for your support. And I would love to watch your success story. So let's get you started. So make sure you save this video and make sure you are following me.